Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Edge and enabling developer mode on the extensions page. This exposes export tools. Once done, find the extensions folder or download its CRX or zip package so you can extract files. Make sure to note the extensions, permissions, and version because Chrome will prompt about both. This explains why compatibility matters. You're preparing the raw files Chrome needs, not just copying an icon. So be thorough and keep the extension files in an easy-to-access folder. Next, extract the CRX or unzip the package into a single folder and inspect manifest. JSON. You do this because Edge manifests sometimes use keys Chrome does not accept. If needed, change any Edge-only fields or remove unsupported APIs. This prevents runtime errors. Then open Chrome's extensions page, enable developer mode, and choose Load Unpacked to select that folder. You'll see immediate feedback. Errors appear as messages, so make corrections and reload until Chrome accepts the extension. Finally, test the extension's core features in Chrome and confirm the permissions prompt matches expectations. This verifies functionality and security. If Chrome blocks installation, inspect manifest errors, unsupported APIs, and required feature flags. These are the usual culprits, so fix them and reload. Once stable, update any asset paths or icons, then optionally pack the extension as a CRX or prepare it for the Chrome Web Store. One key troubleshooting tip. Review console errors, manifest and runtime logs point directly to the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.